Well, hello there. Welcome back to my shop. So I took a little bit of a break from the Mustang. I smeared a bunch of body filler on and letting that cure for a while because apparently we got winter here again in New York. We didn't get the snow that they got out west, but got some pretty chilly temperatures. But so yeah, I bought this Stihl TS400 cutoff saw probably 2-3 years ago. Bought it on eBay as a part saw and figured I could fix it up cheaper than just buying one, which was probably a mistake. But this is the shroud for it. I finally decided that I was gonna rebuild it and get it working. I got a couple things I could use it for, but cleaned everything up in the blaster, and so like I say, that's the shroud for it. And was trying to find some of the actual Stihl spray paint. Stihl sells spray paint that's their colors or whatever, but I couldn't really find any that was affordable. And then after reading some reviews, it said that it wasn't the easiest paint to use, so I'm just going to hit it with some Kubota orange, but I neglected to buy a can while I was in Tractor Supply today. But that's the shroud. Goes over the blade. It's beat up. It's in good shape. You can see all my runs. I'm not a spray painter, but so there's that. And then there's the carburetor. I bought a kit on eBay that came with a new Nicosil jug and piston and a crank and bearings and seals, carb kit, fuel lines, pretty much everything. It's all aftermarket. The Stihl stuff was pretty expensive. I don't know if it's better or not, but for the amount that I'm going to use this, I've got like $260 in the kit and all the parts that I bought. I had to buy a top handle. This is all I ended up, the saw that I bought was, I guess it was listed as a part saw. So this was all broke out here, and then this side case was all broken, and at the time you couldn't buy that side case new, so I ended up buying a new fuel tank piece, not brand new but used, and then I ended up getting a lower end, basically both cases and a crank and cylinder and everything. The flywheel a couple of years broke off, but my other thing came with a, you can see those are the pieces I'm going to use over there. That's the good flywheel that come on it, and I got some more stuff in the box there. But this is the engine cases, and that's the main body of the saw, I guess you'd call it. There's the fuel tank part, and there's the other engine case. I went with a light Ford tractor gray, which is pretty close to the Stihl, which you'd think is white, but it's not really white. But I really don't care. It's going to be Kubota orange and Ford tractor gray, and that's what it's going to be. But the rest of my parts, I got some of the parts today. I got the fan cover and the pull starter and the top handle, but the rest of my stuff will be here. Should be here tomorrow or Saturday. And there's a muffler. Just cleaned him up with the sandblaster and hit him with some paint. But yeah, just figured shoot a little video, and this is what I'm up to. Take a little break from the Mustang. The Mustang is actually going to, I got to throw the rear end and the K-member back underneath it and take it up to Dad's to start painting it. Hopefully this weekend I will have it in the high build. Then we'll spend next week blocking it out, and then I think I'm going to take a little bit of time off from work, and the weekend after, be the week after Easter, I might take most of that week off, if not the whole week, and hopefully I can get it in some body color, and then we can start bolting stuff back together. But anyways, once my parts for the TS400 show up, I will get on getting it built, and I'll probably film some of it, and we'll go from there. But anyways, if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe. I'd like to thank all my subscribers that have, subscribed and watched my videos, and give me a thumbs up, shoot me a comment. As always, thanks for watching.